Alright, straight to the point, not many people have good headphones, and everyone knows that audio is pretty much a necessity when it comes to watching YouTube videos, playing video games, or just listening to some quality music. Well, I took my time to research some good headphones that'll be quite good if you're running on a tight budget. What's up guys, ProdiJay here, and I present to you the best budget headphones under $50. And just for a disclaimer, these headphones were picked out based on my opinion on the best value for your money when buying a pair of quality headphones. And no, I don't own all these headphones because if I did, I would pretty much be on the streets. Now for our first pair of headphones, we got the Motorola XK500, which will cost you about $35 right now on Amazon. And unlike their phones, Motorola actually did a good job on these headphones with a clean minimal build and decent specs for the price. Which, getting into the details, they come with 40mm drivers that produce deep bass and nice sound. They come with Bluetooth 4.0 and the battery life lasts up to 12 hours of playback with the active noise cancelling feature on, which if you're in an area where there's some light noise in the background, the ANC feature will help to hide that. Also, these headphones have an IPX4 waterproof rating, meaning that these headphones can handle some light rain or even some heavy sweating from you guys playing Fortnite. But nevertheless, Motorola did a good job of making a nice budget pair of ANC headphones that produce rich sound, offer a clean minimal build, and includes active noise cancelling technology so you can escape any unwanted background noise. Moving on, we got the Samsung SR850s going for about $50 right now on Amazon. Now I must mention that compared to other headphones, these headphones have semi-open back ear cups instead of normal closed back ear cups, which means that any sounds that you're listening to will get leaked easily from the ear cups. So depending on what you plan on watching, I wouldn't recommend using these in public as some people will be disturbed and you'll probably feel embarrassed, if you catch my drift. Now getting to the features of these wired headphones, they have an over-ear design for a nice comfy fit, they have 50mm drivers for a wide dynamic range, they provide excellent sound quality with ultra clear highs, nice bass, and just in general providing rich sound which allows music to sound more realistic than closed back headphones, but not as realistic compared to fully open back headphones. And because the ear cups aren't fully closed, it's easier to hear ambient noises in your environment, so you would be able to hear anything that's going around in your vicinity, which in my opinion, I think that's a nice trade-off since you're going to be able to listen to music with a more natural and clear feeling. And as I mentioned before, these headphones do leak audio more than closed back headphones, so it would only be recommended that you use these at home. And if you're curious about using these headphones for gaming, I will leave a link down below to Hardware Connect's video on open versus closed back headphones, as he did a pretty good job describing the pros and cons between both of them. But overall, these headphones are going to provide nice audio quality for a nice budget of $50. Next up, we got the Skullcandy Riff wireless headphones going for about $40 right now on Amazon. And unlike the other products on this list, these are on-ear headphones, meaning that they sit directly on your ears. And they're normally smaller and lighter than over-ear headphones, making them pretty good for portability. But depending on the size of your ears, like if you got like Dumbo type ears, it could be a bit uncomfortable after prolonged use, so you definitely want to keep that in mind. But getting to the specs, these headphones come with 40mm drivers, Bluetooth 4.0, up to 12 hours of battery life, and they have a rapid charge feature where if you charge for 10 minutes, you'll get 2 hours of battery life. Also, I forgot to mention that these headphones come in a wide assortment of colorways ranging from black, blue, gray, red, white, and olive, which is a interesting choice. But yeah, if you have a certain preference, you'll be able to know that there's a fair amount of color options. But overall, if you're looking for a pair of portable headphones with a wide selection of colors, I would recommend checking out the Skullcandies. Now for our fourth pair of headphones, we got the Hpower H12 ANC headphones going for about $50. And these headphones are pretty much an upgrade from the Motorola headphones that I talked about at first, which as of specs, they come with 40mm drivers for hi-fi sound and deep bass, better noise cancellation by reducing noise up to 32 decibels, and for a single 2-hour charge, they provide up to 30 hours of playback. So mind you, if you plan on mainly using these headphones wired, you don't really need to worry about charging these headphones that much if you don't go Bluetooth often. But these headphones really do shine when it comes to traveling because of the long battery life and soft ear cushions, but I would highly recommend avoiding traveling like right now during these times obviously. Also, I forgot to mention that these headphones come in 3 colors, black, rose gold, and silver gold. But other than that, if you want to get a pair of budget headphones that have amazing noise cancellation technology, a long battery life, and a nice looking build, I would highly recommend getting the Hpower H12 headphones, as they are the way to go. Now for our last pair of headphones, we got the well-known pair of AudioTechnica ATHM20Xs going for about $50 on Amazon. And I find these headphones to be the best for video editing and just professional use in general. And it's pretty hard to argue against these headphones because they have a nice build quality, nice sound, and are made by a well-respected company. But the main thing that people might not like is the fact that the audio cable cannot be removed, and it is a long black 10-foot cord. So it's safe to say that these headphones are most likely going to stay in your room. But regardless, regardless, these headphones provide a lot of value, especially if you plan on doing YouTube, as they provide nice sound quality from the 40mm drivers, providing rich mids and balanced highs. But coming from a lot of reviews I've heard and read, these headphones don't really focus too much on bass, as these headphones are meant to hear sound super clear, which bass kinda muddens that. So if you're the type that really likes hearing the bass in songs and such, then these headphones may not be the one for you, as they are meant for people that like to heavily monitor their sounds, whether it be through video editing or mixing. But after going over all these headphones, all I gotta say is that you're gonna get a good deal no matter what pair of headphones you choose, because in the end, it all comes down to personal preference, which if you had to ask me which pair of headphones I would buy for myself, I would probably get the Hpower H12 since I personally prefer Bluetooth headphones with ANC. But nevertheless, this video was kinda hard to make since there are a ton of different headphones available under $50, but I tried my best to pick out the top 5 headphones that I thought would be the best value for your money. And before I end off the video, I do want to mention that since all the headphones mentioned are from Amazon, the prices are always subject to change and certain products may run low on stock depending on the time and date, so I would recommend getting whatever items you want as fast as possible before the prices or stocks changes for the worst. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, if so drop a like and subscribe if you want me to make another budget video like this one. And if this video does well, I'll make a video on the top 5 best gaming headsets under $50, so drop a like and I'll possibly make it in an upcoming video. Also, if you guys can, comment down below what you liked or disliked about the headphone choices and tell me what you would change about them, because I know everyone will have their own ideas and opinions on which headphones should have been featured. So leave your comments down below, as I want to hear what you guys have to say, and because I do love responding to everyone's comments. My name's ProdiJay, and as always, stay classy.